Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing really well during this pandemic. So today we are going to make Moong Usal or green moong curry or usal, and we are going to make it in our Instant Pot. So let's put our Instant Pot on saute mode, on more, and I'm going to wait for this sign to turn hot. This on should turn hot. Now you can see the sign it changed to hot, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil in it. And the oil has gone like it has touched the rims immediately. That means it is hot. Let's see. Yes, it has started to crackle. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds or rye, and we will wait for a minute or so for them to crackle. As you can see that the mustard seeds have started to splutter or crackle, I am going to add 5 cloves of garlic, which I have chopped roughly. I'm going to wait for like a few seconds for it to just turn its color. I have put a few leaves of Kadhipatta, curry leaves, 6. We like the taste of Kadhipatta, so usually I put a little extra. After that, I'm going to put 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric, half teaspoon of Hing or Asafoetida, and right now I'm putting 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and I am going to put 4 cups of green moong. They are just soaked and not there. I have not sprouted them. I don't need to sprout it for this particular usal. If your family prefers it to be sprouted, you can just follow the same procedure or same instructions even if it is sprouted. So they are 4 cups of green moong. I'm going to add coriander and cumin powder, 2 teaspoons. This is Maharashtrian Goda masala, but you can replace it with maybe garam masala. You can get this or this masala also very easily in Indian grocery store. So I'm putting 3 heaped teaspoons of Goda masala, and I'm putting one more, this is not heaped, 1 more teaspoon of red chili powder and salt to taste. I'm just going to give a quick stir. All this while our saute mode is still on. I have soaked these green moongs for 4 hours, and now I'm adding 4 cups of water. Let's see if 4 cups of water is enough. Otherwise I will put some more water to it. I think 4 cups should be enough. It should be submerged and it should be little bit above the actual moong level in the Instant Pot. And I am putting 3 kokums. So this you will find again in any Indian grocery store. You can replace this with a little bit of tamarind, or during the tempering you can just put half a tomato. It just gives like nice acidity to this usal. Along with this, I am putting my tall trivet. It should touch the bottom of it, and I took 2 cups of basmati rice and 4 cups of water. I'm just putting the same at the same time. It's nothing but pot in pot method. So I'm putting the lid, turning off the saute mode, and we are going to beans and chili mode for 20 minutes. The pressure is going to be high. It's on high pressure. So we are going to wait for 20 minutes and we'll come back when it's done. I just forgot to tell you guys that this whistle is going to be on sealing mode. Okay, so let's wait for 20 minutes. Now as you can see, the spin has gone down, it has dropped down. It took around 25 minutes for the pressure to release. I'm just going to open my Instant Pot very carefully. Our rice is done. I'm just going to take it out. I'm just taking out the trivet. Yes, it is hot. Ooh. And you can see our usal, our green moong sabzi curry usal is ready. You can see they are cooked perfectly. You can put cilantro, and this can be you can enjoy it with rice or roti, or just put some farsan in it and eat it like some evening snack. So this is what it is. I hope you all just stay safe wherever you are and take care of yourself. Do like this video. Please leave comments so we know if you are liking our videos, and you can give us suggestions if you have any, and take care. Bye bye.